Good morning class. In today's video, we are going to understand the process of digestion in grass eating animals. The grass eating animals are also called ruminants. Okay, so why they are called ruminants? There is a reason behind it, because there is a storage sac inside their stomach which is called rumen. Okay, actually, the buffalo or cows, these are the grass eating animals which chew continuously day and night. Okay, they quickly swallow the grass and store it in a part of stomach called rumen. बच्चों, गाय या भैंस कभी भी एक बार में अपना खाना डाइजेस्ट नहीं करती हैं और ना ही वो चबाती हैं। वो क्या करते हैं, क्योंकि उनका बॉडी इतना बड़ा है, वो एक बार में जितना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा खाना अपने पेट में डाल सकें वो उसकी कोशिश करते हैं। ओके, दे eat large amount of grass so that they can fulfill their stomach. Okay, so actual the reason behind it is that they want to store the higher amount of cellulose in their body so that their diet can be fulfilled in a proper manner. Okay, so that's why they hurry up in the eating process. Okay, so the partially chewed food is sent to the rumen, that is the storage sac inside the body of a inside the stomach of a cow or buffalo. Okay, here the food gets partially digested and it is called curd. Okay, तो जो सेमी डाइजेस्टेड फूड होता है, जो आधा डाइजेस्टेड फूड है, उसे हम लोग क्या बुलाते हैं? उसे हम लोग कर्ड बुलाते हैं। ठीक है, तो वो रूमेन में जाके स्टोर हो जाता है। अब कुछ टाइम के बाद वो वापस से रूमेन से होते हुए ईसोफेगस के थ्रू वापस से काउज और बफेलोज के मुंह में जाता है और वो उसको और ज़्यादा च्यू करती हैं और ज़्यादा सिंपल सब्सटेंसेस में तोड़ने की कोशिश करती हैं। ओके, द कर्ड returns to the mouth in small lumps and the animal chews it. This process called rumination. Okay, इस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? rumination. And these animals are called ruminants. Okay, so that is the reason why the cows and buffaloes are called ruminants. Okay, so the grass is a rich source of cellulose. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrate. Okay, in ruminants like cattle, deer, etc., there is a bacteria present in rumen. Okay, which helps in the digestion of cellulose. बच्चों, जो भी ग्रास ईटिंग एनिमल्स होते हैं उनमें एक बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट होता है जो सेलुलोज को डाइजेस्ट करने का काम करता है, क्योंकि सेलुलोज एक ऐसा कार्बोहाइड्रेट है जिसको आसानी से डाइजेस्ट नहीं किया जा सकता। तो ये जो बैक्टीरिया है ये सिर्फ काउस और बफेलोज और जो भी ग्रास ईटिंग एनिमल्स हैं लाइक काउस, बफेलोज और हॉर्सेस और रैबिट्स, ओके, और एनी अदर रूमिनेंट्स दैट लिव्स अपॉन grass, that bacteria is present inside their rumen. Okay, for the process of digestion. So animals like horses, rabbit, etc. have a large sac-like structure called cecum between the esophagus and small intestine. तो जो ये सेकम होता है, जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो ईसोफेगस और स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के बीच में होता है। ठीक है, द सेलुलोज ऑफ फूड इज डाइजेस्टेड हेयर बाय द एक्शन ऑफ दैट बैक्टीरिया विच आर नॉट प्रेजेंट इन ह्यूमंस। ओके, तो इसमें जो बैक्टीरिया होता है वो सेलुलोज को डाइजेस्ट करने में काफ़ी हेल्प करता है और उसको सिंपल सब्सटेंसेस में ब्रेक डाउन करता है ताकि वो ईजिली डाइजेस्ट हो सके और जो भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स उससे मिलेंगे वो रूमिनेंट्स की बॉडी को नरिशमेंट दे सकें। ठीक है, सो फार यू हैव लर्नड अबाउट द एनिमल्स विच पोजेसेस द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, बट देयर आर many small organisms which do not have mouth and digestive system. Okay, these small animals are the microorganisms we are talking about. Okay, these are the microorganisms that we are talking about. They do not have mouth or any other digestive system. Okay, then how do they acquire and digest food? We will learn this further. Okay, but before going to learn about the digestion process in the unicellular organisms, we will see a animation video of digestion process in cows and buffaloes. Okay, so let's see the animation of digestion in cows. Okay, so there are four chambers in the digestive system of cows, that is rumen. Okay, that is rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum. Okay, so when the cow eats grass, it is semi-chewed and sent to the rumen. Okay, so after entering of the food inside the rumen, it gets partially digested, and then again it is sent to the mouth of cow for the fully chewing and proper breakdown of food into the simpler substances. Okay, okay, so after going through the reticulum, the food is sent to the omasum for the absorption of nutrients. Okay, and further breakdown of the digested food. Then it is sent to the abomasum, the fourth chamber of the digestive system of cow. Okay, where it is further broken down into the simpler substances, and then it is sent to the small intestine, and in the small intestine the absorption of nutrients takes place, and then it is sent to the cecum, where the bacteria, the special bacteria that is only present inside the ruminants, works in the process of digestion of cellulose. Okay, and then the waste material is sent to the large intestine, and the process of digestion takes place. So students, now we have understood how the digestion takes place inside the ruminants, and now we will understand how the digestion takes place in the unicellular or single celled organisms, which is amoeba. Okay, we as a human beings or other animals are multicellular. Okay, and on the other hand, the amoeba is a unicellular. It is microscopic single celled organism. Okay, we cannot see amoeba through naked eyes. We can see it with the help of microscope. ओके बच्चों, अमीबा जो एक है, अमीबा जो बैक्टीरिया है वो सिंगल सेल्ड बैक्टीरिया है. हम लोग एज अ एनिमल्स और ह्यूमन बींग्स वी आर मल्टी सेलुलर. ठीक है, हम लोगों की बॉडी में एक सेल से ज़्यादा सेल पाए जाते हैं, इसलिए हम लोग मल्टी सेलुलर बोले जाते हैं. और अमीबा के अंदर सिर्फ एक सेल होता है, एक न्यूक्लियस होता है. इसकी वजह से वो सिंगल सेल्ड या फिर यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म कहा जाता है, जो खुली आंखों से नहीं देखा जा सकता है. वी कैन ओनली सी दिस टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स थ्रू microscope. Okay, and these type of unicellular organisms are found inside the pond. Okay, so amoeba has a cell membrane, a rounded dense nucleus, and many small bubble like vacuoles. Okay, so I am going to magnify this figure of amoeba. You can observe it very carefully. Okay, so this one is the nucleus. Here this one is the nucleus. Okay, this is the food particle. These are the food vacuoles where the food is stored, and this is the digested waste. Okay, so students, it is like a jelly shaped bacteria. Okay, and it changes its shapes and position every time. Okay, in a second. It pushes out one or more finger like projection called pseudopodia. Okay, these are the pseudopodia. These lining are pseudopodia, which can also be termed as villi, that is present inside the small intestine of human body. Okay, and what is the function of finger like projection of villi? That is to absorb the nutrient from the body. Same does the pseudopodia here. It acquires the food. Okay, it traps the food. So amoeba feeds on some microscopic organisms. When it senses the food, it pushes out pseudopodia around the food particle and engulfs it. बच्चों, जब भी इसकी जो लाइनिंग्स हैं, ये जो सूडोपोडिया हैं ये, ठीक है, ये कभी भी अपने आसपास किसी भी फूड पार्टिकल को महसूस करते हैं तो ये एक अपना ट्रैप बनाते हैं और उस फूड पार्टिकल को अंदर ले लेते हैं. ठीक है, अब जैसे ही वो फूड पार्टिकल अंदर आ जाता है, जो इसमें डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस होते हैं वो उसके ऊपर एक्ट करना शुरू कर देते हैं, ताकि उसमें से जो इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं वो सक कर सकें और डाइजेशन का प्रोसेस शुरू हो सके. ठीक है, द फूड बिकम्स ट्रैप इनसाइड द फूड वैक्यूल. ओके, दिस वन इज द फूड वैक्यूल्स. these are the food vacuole. The food is trapped inside these food vacuole, and digestive juices are secreted on the food vacuole. They act on the food and break it down into the simpler substances, and later on the food get digested and the important nutrients are absorbed through the food particles. And after the absorption of nutrients, the waste is digested through different part of the amoeba. Okay, so there is no different type of organs for the functioning of digestion in the amoeba. Okay, so this is the complete different digestion as compared to human beings or ruminants. Okay, the basic process of digestion of food and release of energy is the same in all animals. Okay, that is to absorb the nutrients that are required by the human body. This is the main function of point of digestion in the human body or animals or any other single celled organisms. Okay, so students, now you can see the actual process of digestion in the amoeba. So this is the amoeba and these are the pseudopodia. These are the pseudopodia which are acting on paramecium. This amoeba is going to eat this paramecium, or we can say this is the food for amoeba. Okay. Now the pseudopodia has trapped the food inside it, and later on the walls of the amoeba will grow and the food will be completely inside the body of amoeba, and that then it will go to the food vacuole where the different enzymes will act on it. Okay, so I guess your concept is clear. Okay, if you have any doubt or any trouble with this process of digestion in the amoeba, you can ask in the Google Meet session. Thank you.